Okay, so when you're connecting external apps, when you're creating integrations, sometimes you're going to be asked for your API key. And I'm going to show you where to find your API key. If you're building out that Zap where you can have a form on your website and there is a Zap from Zapier that connects you into Velocity CRM, so your leads auto-populate, you're going to need API key. To get this, first, make sure that you have administrator access, that group pulled up, because you're going to need to get into app setup. So I have administrator access. I'm clicking my profile and I'm coming down here to app setup. When I'm in here, there's a toolbar across the top. I want to go to CRM setup. I'm going to drop down all the way to the bottom to web service API key and click that key. The thing you want to remember, and it's going to warn you as soon as you click this button, when you generate a new API key, anything that you may have built with a previous API key, it's going to stop working until you update it with this new key, okay? So you can only have one key in use. What we recommend is that you create your key and then you keep it in a safe place so that when you want to do other configurations, you can continue to use the same key. We don't store the key for you. The key is not stored in your system. This is sensitive information, so you want to keep it someplace secure. If you've never used the API key before, or if you generated one but it was never used for anything, you can request to use a new web service API key by clicking this button, and it's going to remind you, if you're using your old key anywhere, it's no longer going to be valid. Do you want to continue? Yes. And you'll see right here, the web service API key it generates, and you'll click copy. And this is the key that you want to keep secure, and this is the key that you're going to need to use for different integrations. Up here, you can also click for your web service documentation, and it will take you to another page where you can locate this information. So that's how you generate your API key for different integrations.